The triple-demic that medical experts feared is now a reality as RSV, COVID, and now the flu making countless people sick across Metro Detroit.
And it's happening right in the thick of the holiday season. Our Dr. Frank McGeorge is here to break down exactly what doctors are seeing in his weekly look at what's going around.
As one pediatrician told us, the flu wave has finally hit Michigan. Flu cases are surging, COVID is increasing, and though RSV appears to have passed the peak, it's still sending a lot of children and some adults to the hospital. Here's what's going around where you live.
In Wayne County, all hospitals are reporting more and more children and adults testing positive for flu. Most say flu is the dominant virus right now. ER Dr. Jason Veter at Henry Ford Fairlane is also seeing what he calls a crazy amount of respiratory illnesses, especially in kids, and says COVID is increasing too. Corewell Health Beaumont Grosse Pointe reports lots of flu and RSV and a lot of stomach viruses too. Ascension St. John is seeing an increase in adults with strep throat. Moving to Oakland County, flu is on the rise at the CVS Minute Clinics and most of the hospitals. Dr. Stephen McGraw at Ascension Providence in Southfield reports an increase in RSV and COVID, plus cases of strep throat. Dr. Jennifer Burgess at Henry Ford Commerce says it's upper respiratory season with a vengeance there, and Henry Ford Bloomfield Township is treating a number of patients with stomach viruses. Looking at Washtenaw County, the health department says flu cases and hospitalizations are rising. Pediatricians at Michigan Medicine report a big increase in kids with flu this week. RSV and other respiratory viruses continue. On the adult side, Dr. Brad Uren reports more COVID along with RSV, flu, and stomach viruses. Checking out Monroe County, Dr. Spencer Johnson at ProMedica Monroe Regional says they are inundated with flu and RSV. They're also seeing some COVID, but not as much. Moving to Macomb County, Dr. Ali Saad at McLaren Macomb says cases of flu are trending up and stomach viruses have increased significantly in the past week. Upper respiratory viruses are very common in kids still, and cases of RSV remain steadily high. The CVS Minute Clinics say strep throat and mono are also major concerns there. Finally, in Livingston County, Trinity Health Livingston reports large volumes of respiratory illnesses. Doctors are treating RSV in children and adults, along with flu and COVID.
Now, to reduce your risk of getting sick, wash your hands off and get vaccinated against the flu and COVID. And if you're going to be in a crowded place, wear a mask. And if you're already sick, test for COVID and stay home to reduce the spread of your illness to others. Back to you.